Hey guys, we're going to do this collection right here. We're going to get one finish for $5, and these two finishes right here, $4.95. Grab two of those because we have $3 coupon and two $2 coupon. Then this is $4.50, and then this is $5, and we have a $3.99 coupon off of these. So this is going to be a great deal right here. Let's do the math. Before we do the math, let's scan, as I want people to say I didn't scan. Okay, here we go. So for the finish, $5. See that I got a $3 coupon and two $2 coupons, and on that $3 coupon that applies and the $5 one apply. Okay, and then we're going to scan the Downey. Oh God, now I just had a coupon for this. Wait, I don't know how that happened. Wait a minute, guys. See that? That was weird, wasn't it? Okay, that's $5, $3.99 off of two. Okay, so we're gonna do these 5 products right here. All right, let's do the math. Okay, $5 off the finish. Power balls, $4.95 each for the jet dries. The Dawn Power Wash refill is $4.50, and then the Dawn Power Wash spray is $5 even, $24.60. Now, I want you to go plus 60 cents, make it $25 even. Okay, minus your 5 off 25, then take your $3 off one finish, $2 off second finish, and $2 off the third finish. Then I want you to take your $3.99 off of the Dawn, $9.01. That's a great deal. And okay guys, so if you go to your Dollar General app, exit out of that. Okay, use any cashback that you have, $27.93, because I bought something. Okay, so this deal right here is $9.01. Use your cashback or Ibotta. If you use Ibotta, make sure you have a bank account or a PayPal attached to it. Okay, let's get to the next deal. Okay guys, we're gonna grab this deal right here. One Irish Spring at $5.35, giving you a $2 coupon off. One Tone at $3.50.65 is giving you a $1.50 coupon. One South Soap at $5.50 is giving you a $2 coupon. One Irish Spring at $6.50 is giving you another $2 coupon. Now, these two to get these 1, 2, 3 qualify for this Colgate Spin 15 get $5 off, and then this is $4. This also qualifies as giving you a $2 coupon. Okay, so let's do the math. Okay, $5.35, $2 coupon. Qualify for the Spin 15 get $5 off. The Soft Soap, $5.50, $2 coupon. It also qualifies for the Spin 15 get $5 off. The Irish Spring Bar, $6.50, and it also qualifies for the $2 off, and the Spin 15 get $5 off. Then we're gonna do the Colgate, and it is $4. It's a $2 coupon. Spend 15, get $5 off. And let's scan the Tone, $3.65, $1.50 off. Okay, what's different about this deal? You need to go over up to $30, because once this $15 come off instant, that's gonna bring your total below 25. So you need to go to 30. Let's do the math. The Irish Spring is $6.50. The Colgate is $4. The Soft Soap is $5.50. The Irish Spring Body Wash is $5.35. And the Tone is $3.65. Take you to $25 even. I'm gonna add the finish in. Remember, I told you had to go up to 35, because if I do it at 25, once you take that 5 off 25, and once you take that 5 off 15, that's what it's going to lead you to. You cannot do that. Okay, so you go to $25. Now, $5 plus $5 on the Okay, let's do the math, guys. The Irish Spring is $6.50. I didn't clear it. The Colgate is $4. The soft soap is $5.50. The Irish Spring body wash is $5.35. The tone is $3.65, and the finish is $5. Take your 5 off of 25. Then take that 5 off 15. Okay, take your 3 off the finish, your 2 off the Colgate, your 2 off the Irish Spring, your 2 off the soft soap, your 2 off the Irish Spring body wash, and $1.50 off of the soft soap, off the tone. $7.50. Divide that by 6, $1.25 each. That's a great deal, guys. If you want to grab these deals, that is an awesome deal. And one more deal we're gonna do, guys. We already know this is a $3 coupon, $2 coupon. 2 of these together is $3.99, and the Cottonelle is giving you a $1 coupon. And the Cottonelle is $5, and that's the $1 coupon. So let's do the math on this one. Okay, the finish is $5. The Cottonelle is $5. This power wash is $5. This is $4.50, and that's $4.95. $24.55. You're gonna go plus 0.55 cents. Take you straight to $25. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $3 off that finish. Take your $1 off the Cottonelle. Take your $2 off the other finish. And then take your $3.99 off the dime. $10.01. That deal right there with the Cottonelle. So there's your tissue deal also, okay? Great deal. Hey guys, let's get to this deal. We already know this is $4.95. It's a $3 off coupon. I'm gonna scan these for you right here. So let me get them to those areas. I want to scan them for you and show you why we're going to use this awesome cleaning deal. Scan your Clorox. Clorox is $4, and there's 2 coupons attaching. This one right here, and then that one. See that? So it's $1 off. So I grabbed 2 Clorox. Then this one right here, which is the Clorox wipes, $3.50. It also has an extra coupon attaching. So that's why you see me with 3 of the Clorox items right here. Okay? Cleaning, and smelling good. Now we're going to grab a Vibrant, which is $7 and a $4 off coupon. And then this is a Febreze. I think that actually go there. And it is okay, let's scan that. Okay, I'm sorry guys, it's taking me a lot. I'll be using one hand. $4 for that. Okay, and then it's a $2.30 coupon. So if we do the math, okay, let's clear it. The Jet Jazz Bright Dry is $4.95. The Clorox is $4. The bleaches, the Clorox wipes are $3.50. This Vibrant is $7. And then this right here is $4. $27. That's steep. Okay, take your 5 off 25. Take your 3 off the Jet Dry. Take your 4 off the Airwick. Take your $2.30 off of the Febreze. Take your $1 off one Clorox. Next $1 off the other Clorox. And then another $1 off the Clorox wipes. $10.15. That's a good cleaning deal. Divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. $1.69 each. That's a great deal, guys. That's a deal I would grab, or you could switch it around and find something else you want to put in there to add with it. Lower your out of pocket. All of these deals are mix and matches. You do what you need to do to get your deals low as possible, okay? So that means substituting deals out My deals are only for reference, and make sure you do the math, because I do not want anyone saying I didn't do the math right. Even though you guys are going to say it, it's okay. I take criticism very well, but just do your own math. Okay, our next deal is going to be on a tie. You're going to grab a Tide at $9.95, and you're going to grab a Downey at $10.95, and one finished jet dry, the one for $4.95, okay? With the anticipation that the $3 coupon will come off. That's how we're going to do it. Okay, let's scan the Downey. They are $10.95, and it's a $3 coupon. Let's scan the Tide. Tide is $9.95, and it's a $3 coupon, okay? So let's do the math on all three of those. So $9.95 for the Tide liquid, $10.95 for the beads, and $4.95 for the jet dry. $25.85. Now you have a 5 off 25 coupon that you should be making sure you pay attention to, and make sure you scan right there, okay? That's the coupon you should be making sure you pay attention to, okay? So let's finish our math. So take their 5 off 25. Take your 3 off the Tide. Take your 3 off the Downey. And take your 3 off the jet dry. That is $11.85. So you do have a whole washing trip right there. Go to your Dollar General app. I don't know why they keep doing it. I hate that. Okay. And use your Cashback or Ibotta, okay? Always, guys, try your Cashback or Ibotta. These are some great deals. I hope you all are grabbing these deals, all right? Let's get to the next one. Okay, guys, this is the next deal we're going to do. We know all the coupons for this one. So we're going to scan the Tide Rescue, which I love. We're going to scan that. Okay, it's $4.95. They gave us a $1 off coupon and then 75 cents back. Plus, when you send in your receipt through the mail, you get $3 back for the Tide, okay? So they have 3 deals going on with this one Tide. So let's do, and then we want to scan the Tide Rescue. That's, not the Tide Rescue, the small Tide, because it always has a nice little coupon. That's $5.50, and it give us $1.50 back, okay? So let's do the math on that deal. Okay, it's $9.95 for the Tide. It's $5.50 for the small Tide. It's $4.95 for the Rescue, and then it's $4.95 for the jet dry. $25.35. Take your 5 off of 25. Take your $3 off the big Tide, your $1.50 off the small Tide, your $1 off the Tide Rescue, and your $3 off the jet dry. $11.85. Now they're going to give you 75 cents back. So take your 75 cent cash back right there, and then when you mail this in, take off your other $3. $8.11 divided by 4. You're paying $2 each for each one of these, okay? That's a great deal right there. Okay, guys, so let's do a food 5 off 25. You're gonna grab the crescent rolls. You could do the original, the butter flake, the cream cheese cinnamon rolls, or the original cinnamon rolls. I am going to scan and let you see. Okay, so let's scan that. Okay, and they're $3.95. Now, it is a couple of coupons that attach, and you have 2 of the $1 off 2 coupons. So I'm going to grab 4, and then you have $1.50 when you off cashback when you buy 3, and you could do that one time. Okay, so let's grab that. It is $3.95 times 4 equals $15.80. Take away that $1 off, and then take away that other $1 off too. $13.80. And then if you take that $1.50 off after you get your cash back, you'll be paying $12.30 for that. But we're going to go further because we are actually going to use this in a 5 off of 25, okay? The next thing we're going to grab is one Jif. They're at $2.85 right here. Now let's scan it. These do not want to scan. Hold on. Okay. When I scan it, they're $2.85. Then it's $1 off one coupon. Now, if you want to get more than one peanut butter, these are $4.95, 2 for $8, and $1 off of one. Okay, we're gonna get one. So the next deal we're gonna grab is one Smucker's Squeeze jelly. They're at $3.50. But let's scan. I gotta use the thing. Okay. Okay. $3.50. $1 off coupon. Okay. So you have that $1 off coupon also. So far we're doing good. We have these $1 off coupons that'll help us out with food deals. Okay guys, we're gonna grab these items now. I know I picked up peanut butter and jelly, but we're not gonna add it to this deal right here because this has a higher value coupon. Okay, so we're gonna pick up 4 of the cinnamon rolls, the crescent rolls, whatever you want to get, Pillsbury. Then you're gonna get 2 of the Hellmann's. The Hellmann's is buy 2 get $4 off. This is $1 off each 2 that you buy at $3.95. Then you get $1.50 back for buying 3 of the Pillsbury, which we already did that. Okay, so let's do the math. Okay, the Pillsbury doughs are $5.95. So you want to go $5.95 times 4. No, $3.95 times 4. You guys know I'm bad. And then you want to go plus 1 Hellmann is $5.75, and then the other Hellmann is 4, and that's $4.25. Take you to $25.80. Take your $5 off, $25 off the top. Don't forget to clip that coupon. It is important. It's your big coupon that's going to carry you over. Now we're going to take the $4 off the Hellmann's. Then we're going to take the $1 off the first 2 Pillsbury's, the $1 off the second 2 Pillsbury's, leave you at $14.80 out of pocket. But once they give you that $1.50 back for buying 3 Cashback, you'll be paying $13.30. Now, as usual, go to your Dollar General, go to your wallet, $26.43. You can use that to pay down in addition to your EBT, SNAP, or your Ibotta, which Ibotta you have to be connected to your bank account or PayPal. Okay, so let's get to the next deal. Okay, this is our next deal. We're gonna grab the Smucker's jelly, the Jif peanut butter, 1 Milo's drink, 2 of the Tart bites, 2 of those, the Hellmann's, and 2 of the Hellmann's. Okay, this is $4.25. That's $5.75. These are $2.50 each with $1 off. This is $4 off. This is $3.50 with $1 off. This is $2.85 with $1 off, and this is $3.50 with $1 off. Okay, so once we do all that, let's do the math. Okay, because we know how much all of it is. We're gonna do the math and check it out. So let's start with the Smucker's is $3.50. The Jif is $2.85. The Milo's is $3.50. The Pop-Tarts are $2.50 each. The Hellmann's, the small one, is $4.25, and the big Hellmann's is $5.75. So it's $24.85. You're gonna do plus 15 cents. Take you to $25 evenly. Take your 5 off of 25 off the top. Let's start with the Smucker's. You're gonna take $1 off the Smucker's, $1 off the Jif, $1 off the Milo, $1 off the Pop-Tarts, and $4 off of the Hellmann's. That's gonna leave you at $12 even, guys. So that's $12. You're gonna get peanut butter, mayo, Pop-Tarts, and a tea. So that's a great deal right there. Make sure you do that deal. Let's get on to some more deals that's cheap.